What's up, y'all? Coach Jordan. This is the Rustic tree topper kit. You're getting the 2 red burlap curls, the 2 birch twigs, and 3 of these brown sprays. So you'll see on this stem right here, you're gonna start with the brown stems first. These brown twig stems, which I thought were just perfect for Rustic. And all I'm doing is lining these 3 up. Now you'll notice I curved some of those stems. Okay? Manipulating all of these pieces. And y'all look how, I don't know if you can really tell, but y'all look how pretty that already looks. Nice and full. Then I'm just gonna get this stem right here and run it up next to that. But y'all, I really like this stem because a lot of these are wired. Almost all of these little twigs are wired, and you can manipulate them, curl them up some more. So this one's going on my right side, and then I'm going to put one on the left side. And these, I'm just tying them, layering them right next to each other. So look how pretty that looks, y'all. That mix of browns and white. But I'm also gonna add this pick in there. Like I said, you do get all of these stems in this tree topper kit, and I'm putting these towards the front. Okay, and y'all, I'm just layering all of these in there. Okay. You know, with a lot of the stuff that's been going on lately, you know, with the shipping stuff, our original plan for this challenge was supposed to be a tree topper challenge, and none of them came in time. So what does Jordan do? You improvise. You make do with what you got. Okay. So y'all, look how pretty that looks. I love this. I'm not a really big Rustic person, but where I live, Rustic is in. I live in far west Texas, so browns, deep reds, turquoise. Well, turquoise really isn't Rustic, but so all I'm doing is I'm just zip tying these all together. And we are gonna make our bow. So I always start off with a tail. And y'all, the most important part for me on my ribbon or on my bows is the pinching. Just run that together, make a loop. I don't measure, but y'all, if you don't wanna use your hands, this is gonna be a 6-loop bow, and you can do it on your Easy Bow Maker. Just making my loop, pinching, and the most important part, y'all. So on this ribbon, you have a good side and a bad side. You don't want to see this side on the front of that bow. You're gonna need to twist that ribbon, make a loop, pinch it, and twist. Now that's what I like to call my bow tie. That right there is my bow tie, and now we're gonna start our X, our other 4 loops. Okay, making another loop. That other loop is slightly larger than my first set of loops. Pinching and twisting. Making another loop, pinch and twist. Making another loop, pinch and twist. Then making my last loop and pinching and twisting. Okay? I am gonna add another set of tails to this. And all I'm doing is I'm just getting that length of ribbon, pinching it in the back. And I'm going to zip tie this together. You can use a pipe cleaner So whatever your preference is. But y'all, look how pretty that bow looks. So I'm just attaching this with a pipe cleaner. And I'm just running that right through some of those picks and stems. So, y'all, that's our tree topper. I will dovetail those ribbons. But look how pretty this looks. And there is a little bit of, I don't want to call it glitter, but it's like the birch is kind of iced. It looks like it's iced over. So it's rustic, but it's also got that little touch of glimmer. Just that little touch. It's not overly done like all my other ones where they're loaded with glitter.